Hi, we're going to be using a lot of things in Google Drive. So you may be wondering, what are these things called in Google Drive? By knowing the name of what we're using, we'll be able to communicate better and have a more successful school year. Hi, when you log on, you may have a screen that looks like this. This screen shows a lot of different apps that you may be using. But we're going to talk right now about using this. The official name is called the App Launcher. A lot of times we call it the waffle because it looks like a waffle, but it is in fact the App Launcher. When we click on this, we get a list of all the apps that we have. I might ask you to use a certain type of app, but right now I'm going to use this to show you what the apps are. This app here is Docs. Docs is short for document, and a document is where we write things down. A document just means a piece of paper. So when we go to a Google document, or Docs for short, we'll always see this blue icon, and it will always be a page that we can type on. We just look for where the cursor is and we can start to type. This is a Google Doc. Up here is where the title is of our Google Doc. Here's where our typing is, and everything that we do is automatically saved. In Google, you do not have to press save for anything. It saves automatically, which is really helpful. But you must remember if you're using a different program to save. Next, I want to look at another app that we're going to be using a lot, and that is Slides. This yellow icon is for Slides. So Google Slides, if you ever knew about PowerPoint, this is the same thing. This Google Slide is like a giant index card that shows something, and then we flip to the next one, it shows the next thing, and it's a stack of documents, and we use it a lot when we're sharing things in Google Classroom. It's very popular because we can add a lot of nice features onto it. So Google Slides will be how you may be doing a lot of the work that you do. When we open Slides, you may see a list. This is called my slide deck. My slide deck, kind of like a deck of cards. Remember I said they're a little bit like cards. This is my slide deck. You can see that this has some yellow by it. That means that's the slide that I am looking at. If I select a different slide, now I can see this is yellow. It shows my next slide. You can see this slide was designed for you to draw on. When you use the actual Peer Deck, you'll be able to draw on this slide, which is very cool. So that is my Google Slides. Now you see every time I'm opening up something new, there's a new tab up here. This was my Drive. Here is the first doc, the document I showed you, that copy of I'm Excited to Write About. And this is my mini introduction to number bonds. There's a typo in there, but that's okay because this is really just for me right now. So I can see I open up a new tab. Now I'm interested in going back to my Google Drive. So I click that tab. All right, on my app launcher, I believe for you, well, here's Google Classroom. So if I wanted to go to Google Classroom, I click on that app. I have a lot of classes because I'm a teacher. This is where you would be able to go to your bookmarks bar and add that icon if you didn't have it already. So now you can see it opened up a new tab again for classes. I want to go back to my drive, so I'm going to click on this tab. These are called tabs. That's what they used to be called in file folders, and so we kept that name. They're like, we can flip through them to get to different things. All that stuff is still there, and when I click on it, it just comes to the front, we say, like a bunch of papers piled up, and when I click on it, that paper comes to the front. Now, another thing that we may use is Google Forms. So you may see sometimes a form, it's purple like this, and you're going to fill in your answers. If you were in distance learning with us last year in Covina Valley, you probably saw a lot of these Google Forms, okay? It's called a Google form because you fill it out. A form is always something you fill out your part of the information into. Okay, so the main ones we're going to use is Docs for document, Slides for the slideshow, and sometimes we'll use Forms. I'm going to end where we maybe should have started with this. This is the symbol for my Google Drive. The work that you do is always stored in your Google Drive. This is your drive. The colors are similar to Chrome, but Chrome is your web browser. Drive stores everything Google inside of it. Okay, so Slides, Docs, Classroom, or Classroom, and our Google Drive, where you can see here, these are slides. This is a document or a doc, so I can see what type of thing I'm working on in here as well. So that's a lot of stuff, but remember, in your app launcher, Docs and Slides. This is going to be helpful for you when you go into Google Classroom and you're looking at the material, because you can see what type of material it is when you open it. Oh, I closed my classwork tab. So if I open this, I can see it's a Google Doc. That means it's like one of those typing things. I'm not going to be able to write on this one. But if I go to my virtual library, how to use, I can see that this is a video. You can see right there, Save Share. And you don't have access to this yet, but this is a Peer Deck, which is a slideshow using Peer Deck. So you're going to start to get to know all these different types of apps. And like I said, knowing what to call them is going to be really, really helpful for us. Just like knowing that this is called the cursor is going to be really, really helpful. So that's a lot of what is this thing called, and we'll have some more later on.